Hey guys, so I am making some baked chicken sandwiches, and while that's cooking, the chicken is cooking in the oven, I'm going to slice up some tomato and spice it. So I'm just gonna wash it first, rinse it off, grab my spices. Let's see. I have pepper, salt, spicy garlic. Actually, it's a rub, but I like the spice, I like the heat that it has, and it's got a good flavor. And then some curry. I'm not going to spice all of them because I'm going to use some of them on the chicken sandwich. Oh, a little too much curry there. Oops. And now I'll get to have a few tomato slices with spices while I wait for my chicken to finish roasting. Man, I used to hate tomatoes. Up until like last year, hated them. But they're in everything when you're vegan. All foods that, sandwiches come with tomatoes. It's in a lot of like salads. So, about a year ago, said, all right, it's in everything, so I may as well try to get used to it. Started eating them. Oh no, it wasn't a year ago. It was back in July. I was on rotation for pharmacy school in a Walgreens, and I had an Indian preceptor, and he always brought in frozen tomato slices with chaat masala on them, spice. And so he always offered me one every day, or some, whatever I wanted. And I said, okay, I'll at least try one. Because I like the spice, little spicy little zing. And they just started growing on me, like over that month that I was in that rotation. And I said, well, I've come this far, may as well just keep doing it. So I bought tomatoes regularly and would have them on sandwiches like once or twice a week. And over like 3 months, I just got used to them, and then started trying to spice them. One day I was really hungry, and I had some extra tomatoes, so I said, you know what, I'll just throw some spice. I had some curry, some chili, some salt, like kind of like chopped masala, as close as I could get to it with some basic spices. And I just started eating that more regularly, and now I love it, and I do it on the regular. It's great for the prostate. Now my chicken is done. Alright, now that my tenders are done, I can start toasting my bread, cutting these bad boys up. I ran out of tenders, only 3 per sandwich this time. I like to have hearty sandwiches, hearty meals. Actually, I don't know why I did that. The bread toasts up. Delicious. Got some cucumber, avocado mixed with this. Like little sandwiches. Alright, so I got some spices or some sauces to put on these sandwiches. So I started actually mixing tahini sauce with hummus. I got right here. See that? And I don't know, I like it. I don't mind the taste. I like it. The tahini sauce is thicker, it's denser, so it fills me up more. Hummus is a little smoother, so it balances out. Dynamite. There you go. Oh yeah, what else do I have here? Some jalapeno hot sauce. Got it from Nature's Promise. It's promising. Never had it before. Where's my toast? My toast slices. Ah, they're getting there. All right. Well, this is fun. All right, got myself some toasted slices that I'm now going to dress up and go to town on while I watch a movie. It's gonna be fantastic. Okay. Alright, end of that right there. Now we flip it upside down, store it in the fridge so that it stays mixed. Do this with peanut butter too, it's great. You don't have to like keep swirling it up then when you get the natural stuff. That likes to separate. And then I take my hummus, which is yummus. I like to do a dollop on each. Just gonna mix these puppies together. This little technique of going back and forth. You do it real quick. And that smooths them right into each other. Doesn't take too long. The devil's in the details. Makes yourself a tasty sandwich. Wish I had more accessories to put on this bad boy, these bad boys. Like cucumbers and lettuce. I'm running short today. Alright, we'll try this new hot sauce on. Let's see, 1/2. Come on. Oh, let's see, how bad are you? Come on, it's tiny. Ooh, it's not bad at all. It's not hot. Not hot in the slightest, but it's got a nice little taste to it. Come on. That's what you have to do? Come on. Never been into hot sauce until real recently. I could stand the heat, but I'm getting more into it as I make more like sandwiches and things of that nature. Oh, look how this is turning out. Well, that should be enough tomato. Looks like I ran out of the other stuff. I ran out, I ate it all. Oh, you got me. Let that knife soak. Throw everything away into the refrigerator. Myself nice cider because it's delicious. Get myself a water. All right. You know what? Why not? Through a few barbecue chips. Let me cut these in half too. And of course, I also have my vitamins I'm going to take with them because I take vitamin D with it, which is fat soluble, and there's a little extra fat I'm taking right now. And let's see what else. Taking chlorella, which I like for its antioxidant properties, and it's a good. That's it. And vitamin C, 500 milligram tablet. B12, and then the vitamin D as well, you can see right here. And sublingual B12 I'll take after I eat. I'll take everything else right now.